तो कैसे हैं दोस्तों? तो आज मैं बात करने आया हूँ एक ऐसी ट्वीट के बारे में, एक ऐसे सब्जेक्ट और एक ऐसे डिस्कशन के बारे में जिससे एक पर्टिकुलर ट्वीट की वजह से मार्केट से $500 बिलियन स्वीप आउट हो गए। हाँ, दैट्स ट्रू। एक ट्वीट की वजह से, और उस एक ट्वीट के बारे में और पूरी कहानी क्या है इसके पीछे, ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे हम इसमें। ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। मैं आपको सबसे पहले लेके जाऊंगा उस ट्वीट के पास जहां वो ट्वीट हमने देखी थी, विच इज इलॉन मस्क की ट्वीट थी, जिसने उन्होंने बोला था कि बिटकॉइन एंड टेस्ला। वहां पे उन्होंने एक स्टेटमेंट इशू कर दिया था और स्टेटमेंट इशू करते ही उन्होंने बोला था कि वी विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टिंग एनी मोर बिटकॉइंस अगेंस्ट द परचेज. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea for many levels, and we believe that it has a promising future. But this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any bitcoins, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy and transactions. इस एक पर्टिकुलर ट्वीट की वजह से इतना ज्यादा तहलका मच गया क्रिप्टो करेंसी मार्केट में। अगर आप देखेंगे बिटकॉइन की चार्ट को देखने की कोशिश करेंगे तो बिटकॉइन सिर्फ अराउंड $64,000 चल रहा था। $64,000 से राइट नाउ इट्स एट $43,000। एंड ये केवल एक ट्वीट नहीं, उसके बाद इलॉन मस्क ने काफी ट्वीट्स किए। उसके बाद कुछ लोगों ने पूरे के पूरे सारे जितने भी बिटकॉइन के सपोर्टर्स थे वो यहाँ पे मार्केट में आए। उन्होंने अपने पॉइंट्स रखे इनके तरफ कि नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ये ऐसा नहीं है। तो आप देख सकते हैं देयर आर ओवर 127,000 रिप्लाईज टू हिम, and which has उसके बाद he said that see, the consumption is there. If you cannot see it, I can show you from the website. He linked the website here again, and then again what happened was there was a lot of rebuttal that came into existence. So this was his tweet, just his tweet. Now let's go and see उनके जो replies हुए हैं, और उसके बाद जो replies में उन्होंने इतना सारा वहां पे हंगामा क्रिएट किया है मार्केट के अंदर। तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो सबसे पहले जो मैं अभी आपको ट्वीट दिखा रहा था, एंड उसके बाद सबसे पहले तो माइकल सेलर ही सेड कि दिस इज नॉट ट्रू, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी विच इज रिन्यूएबल विच इज बीइंग यूज्ड इन द माइनिंग ऑफ बिटकॉइन, हेंस यू कैन नॉट से एक्सप्लिसिटली कि बिटकॉइन से कार्बन एमिशन ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है केवल और केवल बिटकॉइन की वजह से। उसके बाद देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु केम अहेड एंड सेड कि भाई, अगर आप जो स्पेस में शिप्स भेज रहे हो, स्पेसशिप भेज रहे हो, रॉकेट लॉन्च कर रहे हो, क्या उससे पोल्यूशन नहीं होता? तो हमको वो भी बंद कर देना चाहिए। एंड ऐसी बहुत लड़ाई हुई, और उसके बाद जैसे इतने ज्यादा इल्जाम लगने लगे, इतने ज्यादा चीजें आके आने लगी उनके ऊपर कि वो बेचारे वी एंड में ही गॉट सो पिस्ड ऑफ दैट ही सेड दैट हे क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक्सपर्ट्स एवर हर्ड ऑफ पेपैल? पेपैल इज समथिंग जहां पे पहले इलॉन मस्क ने स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन उसके मैनेजमेंट ने पेपैल के मैनेजमेंट ने इलॉन मस्क को किक आउट कर दिया था। So he is going back to refer something which is called as PayPal to prove his point from where he was kicked out. So that's another thing, and he's saying that he knows how money works out. If he knew, why was he kicked out? So another thing that is happening. फिर उसके बाद he went in all in Dogecoin and everything. So he said that he is working with Doge developers. Doge developers came out and said that nobody has contacted from Tesla or Elon Musk has ever contacted us to develop Dogecoin. So all these things are going on with these kinds of news. What is happening is, if you are an investor in cryptocurrency markets, first of all, take your risk appetite and only invest then. Don't invest if your friends are saying, if your neighbors are saying, they're saying that they have made a good profit out of it. This is not something that you should be doing because someone else did. You should study, you should know where you're investing, and before investing into anything, you should not just go ahead and put your hard earned money, yours or your parents, because ultimately what will happen is you will be going to lose it. Because, and this is perfectly clear in this scenario where a lot of people have lost money. Crypto market cap had reached up to $2.5 trillion, and I'm going to show you that the whole market, and it's right now at $2 trillion, which means approx $500 billion have been wiped out from the market. And that is the biggest reason why you should not be entering into cryptocurrencies without knowledge, because it's very easy to make money, but it's equally easy to lose money in this. Even after Elon Musk tweets on Dogecoin, you can see that the coin, price of coin is still going down. The whole market is going down, and it can have even more impacts, because what has happened is people have pissed off Elon Musk to a very high extent, and he has even said that maybe in the future I can go ahead, or I have already sold off the complete Tesla holding of Bitcoins. If this news becomes true, there'll be a lot more that will come out, and we will not know until and unless it's too late. So please, बिना बिना सोचे समझे पैसे इन्वेस्ट मत करिएगा, चाहे किसी भी कॉइन में, और कभी भी there's always a saying that says never buy the hype. क्रिप्टो करेंसी मार्केट इस थोड़े टाइम पहले से जो इतनी तेजी से आगे बढ़ता चला जा रहा था, इस ये एक इंडिकेटर था कि अब यहाँ पे रिटेल इन्वेस्टमेंट आने लगेगा, और जब रिटेल इन्वेस्टमेंट आता है तो सबसे पहले लोग बिना सोचे समझे कहीं भी कुछ भी इन्वेस्ट करने लगते हैं. आपने देखा डॉज कॉइन, जिसका कोई फंडामेंटल नहीं था, पीपल स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग इन इट. शीप कॉइन, व्हाटएवर कॉइन दैट वाज देयर, they all invested in it, and because of that what happened was a lot of retailers just went in, did not think, they started making YouTubers, TikTokers, they started making videos ki Dogecoin $3,000 jayega, it will flip Ethereum also, and everything like that. But this is not true, and this will never be true, because you need to understand the fundamentals of these coins, and before that you need to understand the technology behind this, which is blockchain. Until and unless you do not understand what is blockchain, you will not be able to understand and appreciate how cryptocurrencies work. तो इसलिए like I have always said, study it first. We have our courses on Skill 91. You can go ahead, you can learn them, and then if you want, you can enter into this market, but do not go without any knowledge. And there are something that I will again say is, there is a huge lucrative opportunity in cryptocurrency market, but only if you know how to use that. If you're not able to use that, you will ultimately lose out your money. And because these markets are 24/7, you are going to lose your sleep as well. So do not go ahead and do not do such things. And there is always a 4-year cycle that runs in the cryptocurrency market. So if you're going ahead and you're investing, you need to understand what are those cycles, because right now we are at the almost peak of cryptocurrency markets, and there will be a bear run of 2.5 years that might start, depending upon how Elon reacts even more to all the things that he is getting against him. So please don't go ahead and don't invest into something you do not understand, no matter what exactly is the return on it, because ultimately your capital is very important. If you lose your capital, you will never be able to gain any returns. So don't do it until and unless you understand this market. So that's it for this video. Tell me if you are invested in it, if you're planning to invest, or how do you see cryptocurrency markets in the comments below, so that we understand how everyone in the student community is taking cryptocurrencies. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.